Namaste and good afternoon, everyone. Let me welcome you all on behalf of the ICA family. I would like to heartily welcome you all, our freshly enrolled learners of July 2020 session, to our 30th induction meeting. So let's start today's induction session. फेरि पनि सबैजनालाई welcome भन्न चाहन्छु र now over to you, Amit sir. I would like to request you to present your PowerPoint and yes, thank you so much.
Okay, International Center for Academics, this is the first overseas study center. There are a lot of overseas study centers. It was spread in more than 40 countries. There were more than 40 plus study centers. As of now, there are only spread in 15 countries. There are around 15 or 16 overseas study centers. Nepal case, there are 2 overseas study centers, which is one of Amineo. We are the pioneer. We've been functioning operations since 2002, so it's been almost 18 years now. But there is a unique code. It's unique code 9602. On the screen map. Admissions ko belama tapaile chai kuni prakarko form haru bharne belama chai yo code mention garnu parne huncha. Ele chai specifically International Center for Academics like the denote garcha. So this code, that is 9602 9602, is very, very important. To tell you about Indira Gandhi National Open University, you see there the People's University bans, right? So People's University, there are a lot of reasons for it. One being it is the largest university in the world in terms of admission. Admission ko hisab ma world ko largest university ni ho. It is called the Mega University. No wonder the People's University bhai नै halyo. Another good reason is it offers more than 300 disciplines. So you can imagine, so 300 disciplines, it's not a joke. But it is also the award-winning university in Commonwealth. Commonwealth countries matter award-winning, sir, because one being for the learning materials, which in our terminology we call it self-learning materials. एकदमै tutor and inbuilt भएको हुन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले पक्कै पनि कतिजनाले पाइसक्नु भयो होला e-books. So you must have gone through it. So you must have found that, like teacher inbuilt conceptually there is clarity also. So another is its degrees. Since it has presence in more than 15 or 16 countries as of now, the degrees are widely accepted, right? So it is internationally acclaimed. So the degree achieved from IGNOU is internationally acclaimed degree. It is widely accepted throughout the globe. अर्को चाहिँ एउटा यसको चाहिँ highest authority. Indira Gandhi National Open University is among the very few universities in India जुन चाहिँ सेन्ट्रल गभर्नमेन्ट अफ इन्डियाको हो र जसको चाहिँ प्रेसिडेन्ट नै तपाईको हाईएस्ट अथोरिटी या उहाँलाई चाहिँ अफिसियली भिजिटर नै भनिन्छ. सो द हाईएस्ट अथोरिटी अफ दिस युनिभर्सिटी इज द प्रेसिडेन्ट अफ इन्डिया. अब अघि नै इन्टरनेशनल सेन्टर फर एकाडेमिक्स को भनिहालेँ मैले नै. इट वाज एस्टाब्लिश्ड इन द इयर 2002. इट इज द फर्स्ट ओभरसीज स्टडी सेन्टर, arguably the first overseas study center, right? It started in and he launched IGNOU programs in the year 2002. So again, it's almost 18 years. It's a pioneer in distance mode of education. And of course, this is important. It's been approved by the Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education approval. This is यहाँ का degrees जति पनि छन् अहिले 8 वटा प्रोग्रामहरु अफरमा छन्. सबै डिग्रीजहरु चाहिँ त्रिभुवन युनिभर्सिटीबाट सम्मको स्तर प्राप्त हो. सो तपाईहरुले जुन डिग्री अचिभ गर्नुहुन्छ त्यसले इक्विभ्यालेन्स नै पाउँछ. मास्टर्स गर्नु भएको छ भने मास्टर्स सर नै पाउनुहुन्छ. एमबीए गर्नु भएको छ भने एमबीए सर नै पाउनुहुन्छ. So this is officially approved by the Ministry of Education. Degrees availed from this are given equivalence by Tribhuvan University, Central CDC भनिन्छ, Central Department of Curriculum ले दिनुहुन्छ. र यो इन्टरनेशनल सेन्टर फर एकाडेमिक्स आइसिए चाहिँ नेपाली ओन्ड कम्पनी हो जो चाहिँ 2002 बाट यता अपरेसनमा आएको हो. What are the functions, the primary functions of ICA? You have pre-admission counseling. That is, when you come for admissions, we give you proper guidance, information regarding the desired course. तपाईहरुलाई कुन कोर्सहरुमा कसरी पढ्ने, के गर्नुपर्छ, प्रोजेक्टहरु छ कि छैन. So that is, like the pre-counseling of दिन्छ हामीले. Before you take admissions, You clarify your doubts. If you have any need further information regarding the university, the validity of the degrees, keep party, no party, how to go about as a distance learner. So all these are pre-admission activities that is done by ICA. So ICA, again, I mean, we are regarded as the Overseas Study Center of IGNOU. So our job is to, give you all this information before admissions. Post admission, हामी यसरी पहिला तपाईलाई organize induction गर्छौं, which means we officially induct you to the world of open and distance learning. We orient you about your responsibility, how the university functions, इत्यादि कुराहरू. अर्को हामी facilitate गर्छौं projectहरू, library facilitiesहरू. We also distribute self-learning materials, that is after the admissions, either in the form of physical copies, hard copies पनि पाउनुहुन्छ तपाईहरुले, या हैन भने अनलाइन त पाउँदै हुन्छ. त्यसपछि अर्को एक्टिभिटी भनेको लगत्तै जुन तपाईहरुको पनि अब 15th of September सुरु हुँदैछ, academic counseling sessions. We don't call it classes, but then it's somewhat to kind of classes नै हो, which is अब face to face, person to person हुँदा चाहिँ these are held on Saturdays, या तपाईको चाहिँ weekends मा, यो गभर्नमेन्ट हलिडेज मा, या तपाईको अफिस आवर्स, बिहान अफिस आवर्स भन्दा अगाडि या बेलुका तपाईको past or post office hours check गर्ने गरेको छु. But generally these are conducted on Saturdays. But as of now, हामी सबै अहिले Zoom बाट लिन्छौं. हाम्रो आफ्नै LMS छ. यसमा अहिले further हाम्रो chairman ले अझ डिटेल भन्नु नै हुनेछ यसमा. So our role is to conduct induction, conduct academic counseling sessions, give you proper information, distribute self-learning materials. So we are a bridge between a learner like you and the university. And other services include, yes, online admissions. We are very much into online admissions. Of course, जति पनि तपाईहरु अहिले 70-80 जना जुन एडमिसन गर्नु भएको छ यो सेसनको लागि, maximum majority ले online नै गर्नु भएको छ because of the prevailing conditions, right? But then that facility was there yesterday. It is now. अहिले भोलि पनि यो रहिरहन्छ यो. So online counseling, of course, online re-registration, कुनै प्रकारको पनि एक्टिभिटी तपाईहरु यहाँ नआइकनै गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ purely online. Payment को कुराहरु गर्नुस्. We just recently developed an IC app. अहिले चाहिँ it's only for Android devices for the Android users, but then gradually we'll upgrade this as well. So make use of IC app as well. It's very handy, I tell you. Your terminology say it's like you got to be familiar with. It's quite important because since तपाईहरु अब एउटा conventional regular university बाट आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ, that's a different world and you're coming to a new world. It's kind of your priority shift भनौं या paradigm shift जस्तो नै हो. For management program MP भन्छ code use गर्छौं because अघि नै हेर्नु भयो more than 300 disciplines. So imagine हामी का नेपालमा ICA मा चाहिँ we only offer 8 programs, but then 8 programs also has different course codes, different program codes. So हामीले routine बनाउने बेलामा इत्यादि कुराहरु गर्ने बेलामा we only follow these codes. So gradually बिस्तारै once you start तपाईको यो learning materials हरु पढ्दै जानु भयो, program guide पढ्नु भयो भने तपाईहरुले चाहिँ probably in a 6 months time or in a year time you get used to it. You get familiar with this course, right? So course code MS2, यसको title के हो त भन्दा management of human resource. Management of human resource को चाहिँ course code is MS2. Yeah, I didn't mention earlier academic counseling ma, routine ma, term examination, hall ticket, re-registration इत्यादि कुराहरुमा चाहिँ यो course code use हुने गर्छ. अर्को सेसन, yes, हाम्रो दुईटा सेसन हुन्छ जनवरी जुलाई, हैन? र अर्को चाहिँ बुक्सलाई हामी चाहिँ सेल्फ लर्निङ मटेरियल्स भन्छौं किन यसमा स्पेशली डिजाइन्ड हुन्छ यो र ट्युटर इनबिल्ट, टिचर नै इनबिल्ट हुन्छ. तपाईले आफै सेल्फ एक्सपर्टोरी हुन्छ, पढ्दै जाने भने कुराहरु चाहिँ बुझिन्छ. Interestingly, sorry, यो तपाईको चाहिँ you don't get to buy in any other bookstores, you get it from the university once your admissions are confirmed. So that way also it is very special. र यसको चाहिँ सेल्फ लर्निङ भन्ने कारण चाहिँ you get it directly from the university. तपाईको आफै admissions confirm भइसकेपछि त्यो चाहिँ physical form मा, hard copies को form मा. Whereas e-materials it's available there in the website, e-GAN course भन्ने portal छ, सबैले नै access पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. यो tutor mark assignments, which is one of the most important component हो यो. तपाईहरुको academic efforts evaluation हुने भने पनि यसबाट नै हुन्छ एउटा, अर्को examination बाट हुन्छ. यसलाई चाहिँ tutor mark, tutorले नै mark गर्नुहुन्छ. हामीका panel of tutors, हामीका panel of तपाईको evaluators भन्नुस् या तपाईको academic counselors उहाँहरुका चाहिँ यो panelलाई जान्छ यो Before the examination, you submit your assignments. Before you fill out the examination form, you have to submit assignments. Then only you're allowed to write the exams. Two time match your evaluation गर्ने फ्याकल्टीहरूलाई या असाइनमेन्ट्सलाई चाहिँ टिचर मार्क असाइनमेन्ट भनिन्छ. टर्म एन्ड एक्जामिनेसन टिई हो अर्को एउटा. दिस मिन्स टर्म एन्ड एक्जामिनेसन. ओएससी भनेको ओभरसिज स्टडी सेन्टर र अघि नै कोडको कुरा गरे 9602 इट्स रिक्वायर्ड एभ्रिवेयर. र हल टिकट एक्जामिनेसनको ठ्याक्कै 2 हप्ता अगाडि यु रिसिभ योर एडमिट कार्ड. What is credit system? Okay, it's quite important. Those people who've enrolled in BDP, that is BAG, Bachelor's Degree Program, enrolled garnu bhako cha bhane in 3 years time you have to earn 96 credits. So minimum tapaiko duita credit ko duita credit bhanepachi 30 hours. So 2 into 30 bhanepachi 60 hours of study. So basically credit le tapailai chai kati hour या तपाईले चाहिँ कति मेहनत गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ मिनिमम भन्ने चाहिँ इन्डिकेट गर्छ. एउटा त्यो कुरा भयो. सो 96 क्रेडिट्स भयो. एउटा 2 क्रेडिट्सको प्रोग्राम छ भने एउटा सब्जेक्ट छ भने that requires around 60 hours of study. That's not in a stretch, but then minimum time required for the particular subject is 60 hours, right? र अर्को इन्ट्रेस्टिङ तपाईले भोलि गएर अब due to reasons beyond your control अब 3 वर्षको कोर्सलाई तपाईले 1.5 वर्ष मात्रै एक क्रेडिट अन गर्नु भयो र टुमोरो यु अल्सो गेट क्रेडिट ट्रान्सफर इन अदर युनिभर्सिटिज. यु क्यान अलवेज अप्लाई. हैन तपाईले गएर अब बाहिर अर्को युनिभर्सिटीमा केही कारणले नेपालमा कन्टिन्यू गर्न पाउनु भएन, तपाईँ बाहिर ट्राभल गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. सो द्याट टु तपाईले पनि त्यो युनिभर्सिटीलाई अप्लाई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ क्रेडिट ट्रान्सफर. यु क्यान अप्लाई फर द सेम कोर्स. द कोर्स हैज टु बी सेम एन्ड द्याट क्यान whichever credit you have earned here, which means you have passed out. So you can apply it there as well. So you can continue. तपाईको पढाइ डिस्कन्टिन्यू हुँदैन. It only depends on the university. उले तपाईको चाहिँ प्राइभेट लिने हुन्छ, but then उनीहरुको आफ्नो सिस्टम फलो गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Yeah, as I mentioned, this helps the learner to understand the academic effort one has to put in order to successfully complete the course. So that is the minimum time required to put in a particular course subject, right? So that you can successfully complete the course. Yeah, instruction system, printed study material of self-instruction. It's a self-explanatory tutor inbuilt. Oracle learning management system, sir. Our learning management system ko लागि चाहिँ अहिले एकछिनपछि हाम्रो चेयरम्यानले या हाम्रो कोअर्डिनेटरले अलि ब्रिफ गर्नुहुन्छ यसमा. So another is e-GAN course where you get all the e-materials. यो तपाईको academic आफ्नो प्रोग्रामको अरूको प्रोग्रामहरु पनि पाउनुहुन्छ. Our face-to-face counseling class, unfortunately, it is not possible all the time, but then generally organized on weekends, before or after office hours. Orko hamika धेरै नै library resources in our website, and which you can also avail from a recently developed ICA app. So there are a lot of resources. तपाईं कहाँबाट के पढ्ने भन्ने कुराहरु तपाईमा हो. Otherwise, you get plenty of resources. Gyandhara is a तपाईको चाहिँ काउन्सिलिङ थ्रु इमेल स्काइप त छँदैछ. त्यो जहिले पनि भइरहेछ. तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ हाम्रो फ्याकल्टीको पनि हामी शेयर गर्छौं. तपाईलाई कुनै प्रकार कुनै अवस्थामा पनि if you need any kind of assistance, really more than happy to help you out. अब e-learning पनि भर्खरै हामीले लन्च गरे हो. यो चाहिँ अब यो इफेक्टिभ एन्ड स्पिडी चाहिँ इट्स यु अन्डरस्टुड इट्स इलेक्ट्रोनिक लर्निङ हो. यो इट्स अफलाइन नै हुन्छ. यु गेट एक्सेस इन PDF र PDF फर्मेटमा. If there's any doubts, queries, what we do is we organize live sessions depending on the size, depending on the group. A particular day, we organize this kind of sessions so that you can directly interact with the concerned faculty and then clarify your doubts, concerns, whatever. Yeah, I mean, to tell you more about learning management system, I will request our chairperson, Mr. Vishwajit Mukherjee, to please explain.
Yeah, thank you, Amit. Am I audible?
So, over to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are.
Yeah, you're breaking a little bit.
Okay. Thank you and namaste, सबैजनालाई. Basically, हाम्रो यो learning management system हामीले भर्खरै लन्च गरेको हो हाम्रो ICA को आफ्नै. र यो लर्निङ म्यानेजमेन्ट सिस्टमले के गर्छ भनेदेखि तपाईहरुको लर्निङ एक्टिभिटिजलाई व्यवस्थित गर्छ. You get a single platform where you can do your various kinds of learning activities through. This gives you a platform where you can be in constant touch with your academic counselors, offline or online, and it helps you in managing your academic activities. So हाम्रो यो लर्निङ म्यानेजमेन्ट उयसमा जुन छ LMS-मा, यो बेसिकली it's a communication tool where students can collaborate. It's a 24/7 access where students and teachers can interact, right? And through this you can have various digital tools which you can use for your learning activities. You have a discussion board, you have got assessment tools and many more features. हैन, तपाईले यो भिजिट गर्नुभयो भने हाम्रो यो लर्निङ म्यानेजमेन्ट सिस्टम हामी तपाईहरुसँग शेयर गर्छौं. यसमा अहिले हामीले तपाईहरुलाई लगइन डिटेल्सहरु हामी प्रोवाइड गर्छौं भेरी सुन. लगइन डिटेल्स प्रोवाइड गरेपछि त्योसँग एउटा सानो ट्युटोरियल पनि हामी प्रोवाइड गरौँला. तपाईहरुलाई कसैलाई केही प्रब्लम भयो भने एक्सेस गर्नुको लागि त्यो हेरेर पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. इट्स नट अ भेरी बिग थिङ. सो बट क्यान यु गो टु द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड अमित. सो यसले गर्दाखेरि तपाईको के हुन्छ भने यु वन्स यु लग इन इन्टु इट and you'll find a lot of features in that. So yeah, अहिले स्क्रिनमा आइरहेको छ यो चाहिँ हाम्रो LMS को फ्रन्ट फेस हो हैन. आफ्टर यु लग इन यु गेट तपाई जुन कोर्समा रेजिस्टर्ड हुनुहुन्छ त्यो कोर्सको तपाईलाई एक्सेस दिएको हुन्छ र त्यो कोर्स सम्बन्धी तपाईको स्टडी मेटेरियल्स तपाईको असाइनमेन्ट्सहरु यही लर्निङ म्यानेजमेन्टमा हामीले त्यसको लिंकहरु प्रोवाइड गरिदिएको हुन्छ. त्यसैगरी तपाईले चाहिँ स्क्याटर्ड फर्ममा गएर इडुको साइट खोज्ने अथवा खोज्नुपर्ने अथवा आईसी को साइट खोज्नुपर्ने अथवा गुगल गर्नुपर्ने अवस्थाहरु आउँदैन हैन. सो यु गेट इन अ सिंगल प्लेटफर्म यु गेट एक्सेस टु अल दिस रिसोर्सेस. प्लस यो लगायत हामीले यसलाई अब स्लोली हाम्रो फ्याकल्टी मेम्बर्सहरुले लगायत हामी सेन्टरबाट पनि यसलाई अझै एनरिच गर्दै लाग्छौं. यसमा भेरियस टाइप्स अफ रिसोर्सेसहरु, रेफरेन्स मेटेरियल्सहरु एकाडेमिक काउन्सिलर्सहरुले राखिदिएका हुन्छन्. तपाईले आफ्नो फुर्सदमा आएर at your own suitable time you can log in, you can get access to those resources, and you can go through those resources which will assist you in your academic endeavor. र त्यो लगायत पनि हामी बिस्तारै बिस्तारै यसमा अझै रिसोर्सेसहरु एड गर्दै जान्छौं जसमा कि तपाईले लगइन गरिसकेपछि तपाईको एउटै प्लेटफर्ममा सबै कुरा होस्. र त्यो साथसाथमा पनि तपाईले अब असाइनमेन्ट्सहरु सबमिट गर्नुको लागि पनि अहिले हामी यो लास्ट सेसनमा पनि we accepted e assignments हैन. हाम्रो लर्नर्सहरुलाई इमेल थ्रु असाइनमेन्ट्सहरु सबमिट गर्नु परेको थियो. तर अब चाहिँ हाम्रो यो एलएमएस आइसकेपछि चाहिँ अब तपाईले एलएमएस कै माध्यमबाट तपाईको असाइनमेन्ट्सहरु सबमिट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र हाम्रो फ्याकल्टीहरुले इभ्यालुएट गरेर फिडब्याकहरु दिएका हुन्छन्. त्यो फिडब्याक्सहरु तपाईहरु आफ्नो एलएमएस बाटै चाहिँ एक्सेस पाउनुहुन्छ हैन. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो एलएमएस को एउटा ब्रीफ आउटलाइन हो. तपाईहरु लगइन गरिसकेपछि तपाईहरु धेरै कुराहरु थाहा पाउनुहुन्छ. त्यहाँको धेरै रिसोर्सेस टुल्सहरु छ. त्यो टुल्सहरु युज गर्नु होला. तपाईहरुलाई धेरै हेल्प गर्छ. र तपाईहरुलाई काई जस्तो प्रब्लम्सहरु आए भने you can get in touch with our support team. We will be always there to guide you in this regard. र यसको साथसाथमा अब हाम्रो अर्को एउटा हामीले फिचर जुन एड गरेको छ हाम्रो वेबसाइटमा त्यो हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट लगइन हो. त्यो स्टुडेन्ट लगइनको लागि हामीले क्यान आई ह्याभ द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड अमित. सो त्यो स्टुडेन्ट लगइन चाहिँ हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट जोन हाम्रो वेबसाइटमा तपाई जानुभयो भने हाम्रो वेबसाइटको होम पेजमै हामीले दुईटा लिंक राखिदिएको छु. एउटा चाहिँ तपाईको स्टुडेन्ट लगइन भनेर लिंक राखिदिएको छु र एउटा स्टुडेन्ट एउटा ई लर्निङ भनेर एउटा लिंक राखिदिएको छु. ई लर्निङमा तपाईहरुले क्लिक गर्नुभयो भने you get access to you'll be linked up to our LMS system. र हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट लगइनमा जानुभयो भने हाम्रो स्टुडेन्ट लगइनको पेज खोल्छ. त्यो पेज खोलेपछि तपाईहरुले डिफरेन्ट लिंक्सहरु पाउनुहुन्छ. एक साइड एकातिर you'll have links of university links. एकातिर चाहिँ हाम्रो ICA को लिंक्सहरु हुन्छ. ICA ले प्रोवाइड गर्ने रिसोर्सहरुको लिंक्सहरु एकातिर छ. अर्कोतिर चाहिँ तपाईको युनिभर्सिटी को साइटमा लिंक अप गराउने लिंक्सहरु छ हैन. सो क्यान आई ह्याभ द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो यो लिंकमा जानुभयो भने इनिशियली इफ यु डोन्ट लग इन टु द स्टुडेन्ट जोन तपाईले खाली त्यो सर्टेन लिंक्सहरु पाउनुहुन्छ हैन. र तपाईले लगइन गरिसकेपछि सर्टेन एडिशनल लिंक्सहरु आउँछ तपाईहरुको मुनि. I think next slide will give a view of that. So this is a view of our स्टुडेन्ट लगिङ, जसमा वानतिर एकातिर युनिभर्सिटी लिङ्क छ, युनिभर्सिटीको लिङ्क्सहरू हेर्नुभयो भने यु क्यान गेट एक्सेस टु यर assignments, your grade card status, your registration status, र एकातिर हाम्रो ICA को लिङ्क्सहरू छ। र यो चाहिँ तपाईले लगइन गरिसकेपछि माई प्रोफाइलबाट जति लिङ्क्सहरू छ त्यो चाहिँ लगइन गरिसकेपछि मात्रै आउँछ त्यो एक्सेस, हैन? त्यो बाहेक तपाईँ स्टुडेन्ट जोनमा मात्रै जानुभयो र तपाईले लगइन गर्नु भएन भने त्यो एडिसनल लिङ्क्सहरू चाहिँ एक्सेस हुँदैन। सो आफ्टर यु लगइन you get access to this additional links through which you can get access to many things, like you can view your assignment marks, grades, then you can submit your online examination forms, RR re-registration forms. You can get access through this. Also, you can get access to our learning management systems. So you have different features of it. So your features of it exclusively only for our enrolled learners को लागि मात्रै हो, हैन? तपाईले युज गर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ। जस्तो अहिले पनि मैले च्याट बक्समा देखिरहेको थिएँ, एकजनाको हाम्रो क्वेरी थियो कि यो हाम्रो आइसिए को जुन एप छ, एप अहिले iOS मा छैन भनेर। यस, हाम्रो अहिले यो एन्ड्रोइड भर्जन मात्रै हामीले रिलिज गरेको छु, iOS भर्जन पनि हाम्रो छिटो नै आउँछ। र एपमा भएको फिचर्सहरू पनि iOS युजर्सहरूले करेन्टली at the moment you can log into our student zone and get those features through student login zone, through student login. अब लगिन गर्नुको लागि चाहिँ के गर्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि यो तपाईको बेसिकली हामीले चाहिँ दुईटा फिचर राख्दिएको छु लगिन गर्नुको लागि चाहिँ। एउटा त you can enroll through enrollment numbers or by using your हाम्रो PI नम्बर भन्छ, हाम्रो सेन्टरको एउटा नम्बर। तपाईले सायद याद गर्नुहोस्, तपाईले जब हामीसँग एडमिसन लिनुभयो, तपाईलाई जब रिसिटहरु इस्यु गरे हामीले, त्यसमा एउटा नम्बर छ, तपाईको 5 डिजिट नम्बर या त 6 डिजिट नम्बर एउटा रिसिटमा हुन्छ, त्यसलाई हामीले PI नम्बर भनेको हुन्छौँ। अथवा त्यो नम्बर अहिले किनभने तपाईहरुको जस्ट एनरोलमेन्ट भएको छ, तपाईको एनरोलमेन्ट नम्बर आएको छैन, सो त्यसैकारण फर द टाइम बिङ यु क्यान युज दैट नम्बर एन्ड द पासवर्ड, द करेन्ट पासवर्ड इज पासवर्ड, PASSWORD, हैन? त्यो पासवर्ड युज गरेर त्यो पासवर्ड शब्द चाहिँ तपाईले पासवर्डमै राख्नुपर्छ, हैन? र तपाईले अहिले करेन्टली तपाईहरुले त्यो PI नम्बर दिएर तपाईहरु त्यो यु क्यान गेट एक्सेस टु दोस स्टुडेन्ट लगिन जोन। त लगिन गर्ने बित्तिकै तपाईले चाहिँ आफ्नो पासवर्ड चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, है? र तपाईलाई यो रिगार्डिङ कुनै समस्याहरू आयो भने हाम्रो वेलकम लेटरमा हामीले तपाईलाई इमेल आइडीहरु दिएको छु हाम्रो विभिन्न डिपार्टमेन्ट्सको। सो यु क्यान राइट, त्यहाँ एउटा इमेल आइडी छ, ग्रिभियन्स भन्ने एउटा इमेल आइडी छ, त्यो ग्रिभियन्स भन्ने इमेल आइडीबाट पनि तपाईले लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। र अर्को एउटा फिचर, एउटा इन्ट्रेस्टिङ फिचर यसमा हामीले के एड गरेको छु भनेदेखि तपाईहरुको कुनै त्यस्तो ग्रिभियन्स, कुनै इस्यु, कुनै कुराहरू तपाईहरुले हामीसँग रेजिस्टर गराउनु पर्ने छ भने तपाईले हामीले इमेल गर्दा पनि हुन्छ, तर इमेल गर्नुभन्दा पनि यहाँ हाम्रो तपाईले आफ्नो ग्रिभियन्स, आफ्नो इस्युजहरू, आफ्नो कुराहरू राख्न सक्नुहुन्छ, विच विल बी registered with a token number। So तपाईले त्यो रेजिस्टर गर्नुभयो भने त्यो सिधै हाम्रो सिस्टममा आउँछ र हाम्रो सिस्टमबाट त्यसलाई हामी एड्रेस गर्ने गर्छौँ, हैन? सो यो विभिन्न फिचर्सहरू छ। यो फिचर्सहरू तपाईहरु काइन्डली लगइन गर्नु होला। लगइन गरिसकेपछि तपाईले यसको कुराहरू एक्सेस गर्नुहोस्। काहीँ त्यस्तो कठिनाइहरू भयो भने हामीसँग सम्पर्क राख्नु होला। थ्यांक यू अमित, इट्स ओभर टु यु।
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mukherjee. Well, I hope तपाईहरुले LMS र ICA को एपमा धेरै कुरा इन्फर्मेसन पाउनुभयो होला। यस पक्कै पनि अहिले हामी क्वेरी सेसनमा पनि लिन्छौँ, बट देन हाम्रो जुन तपाईहरु कन्सर्न थियो iOS युजरमा नभएको चाहिँ भेरी सुन हामी अपग्रेड गर्नेछौँ। सो टिल देन बेयर विथ अस। अघि सरले भने जस्तै चाहिँ the same features or same facility or same service could be availed from the student login as well. So kindly हाम्रो वेबसाइट चाहिँ रेगुलर बेसिसमा यसो हेर्दै गर्नुहोस्, हैन, so that you can utilize all those features as well. So thank you for having said this. अब एकाडेमिक काउन्सलेसन भनेको अर्को शब्दमा क्लास नै हो। सो मैले अघि नै भने जेनरली शनिबारको दिन हुन्छ। अब उसमा अरू विकडेजमा चाहिँ प्राय हुँदैन, भइहाल्यो भने पनि बिफोर आफ्टर अफिस आवर्स हो। र अर्को चाहिँ यसको उद्देश्य भनेको तपाईहरुको डाउट्सहरु क्ल्यारिफाई गर्ने, कुनै कन्सर्न छ, does not necessarily mean that you have to attend each and every counseling session. Does not carry any kind of weightage, except for those learners who have enrolled in BCA or MCA. Computer ओरिएन्टेड कोर्समा चाहिँ एनरोल गर्नु भएको छ भने तपाईहरुको प्र्याक्टिकल कम्पोनेन्ट चाहिँ एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ म्यान्डेटरी तपाईहरुले प्र्याक्टिकल क्लासेस प्र्याक्टिकल सेसन चाहिँ अटेन्ड गर्नै पर्ने हुन्छ त्यहाँ तपाईको अटेन्डेन्सको चाहिँ रिक्वायरमेन्ट हुन्छ तपाईहरुले मिनिमम एमसीओ केसमा 70% र बीसीओ केसमा 75% अटेन्डेन्स चाहिँ तपाईहरुले मिट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ हैन र यो अब अहिलेको लागि त सबै अनलाइनै हो अहिले चाहिँ अनि यसमा तपाईको चाहिँ हाउ डु वी share information where we notify you through IC app, email, website of course, the routines are declared on the website. We also send you SMS and we also call you. Call saying your cost if actually सुरुमा हामी call गर्छौं र if there's any cancellation या postponement या preponement भइदियो चाहिँ हामी तपाईलाई फोन गर्छौं otherwise it's simply through emails and website. You got to refer the website or our app for the routine as well. Who are our faculties? Yes, they're purely academicians from Nepal. Our faculties are university. And we also invite guest lectures. And yes, and half of our, our faculties are they are very passionate people, professionals. Where it's industries, corporate world, at the same time academics. Where passion let's say. So we have a blend of both academicians as well and the people from industries as well. So this gives extra age to our learners because our learners are dynamics. So people like you, professionals, like having a little bit of gap here and there, but then professionals who already have a lot of exposures. So we also have a faculty blended nature. So ultimately, you are here to earn a degree. So how does your how is your academic effort is evaluated at the end of the day? Yes. So evaluation system ma तपाईहरुको अब तीन चारवटा क्राइटेरिया मा हुन्छ हैन तपाईको अब एउटा असाइनमेन्ट्स भयो जुन अघि नै मैले भने ट्युटर मार्क असाइनमेन्ट we only have one assignment यसमा तपाईले चाहिँ you have to score a passing grade. Though it carries only a weightage of 30%, but then 30% term and examination. The examination which I held at the end of the semester or a year, that is called term and examination. It has a code, unique code, TE, abbreviated form. So, ESMA 70% weightage carry assignments, open source assignments, 30%. But then individually you have to score a passing grade. It's not that you have to score individually. Your assignments are, it's an important component. You have to submit your assignments before you fill up your forms. And the project work, yes. The project work, dissertation, thesis, it's not for each and every program, right? So keep that in mind. Sabai program ma chaina, kunai kunai program ma cha. So tapaiko euta partial tapaiko academic effort pani project work, dissertation let's say मा पनि इभ्यालुएसन हुन्छ सो यो भयो अघि मैले भने बीसीए एमसीए ल्याब रिपोर्ट छ र अटेन्डेन्स एकदमै म्यान्डेटरी हुन्छ फर बीसीए 75% एमसीए 70%. So on the basis of this assignments, term and examination, your project work, your lab report, your ultimate academic evaluation is done. And that's how your academic degree is issued or you achieve your academic degree. Assignments is a compulsory component, rather it is a communication between a learner and a faculty or evaluator, academic counselor. I think it's like because since attendance is not mandatory, there's only one way to communicate, that is through assignments. On the basis of your assignments, the tutor, the evaluator knows exactly the preparation cost, where you are. What kind of effort so it's a communication because the feedback which you get after your evaluation is done in assignments, we return it to you so that you can go through it and you can prepare accordingly. But guys, I tell you one thing honestly, assignments there is a high chance of going through your examination pass if you put in your effort, because though it's an open source, you get a lot of information from everywhere, internet samundra. But then you have to cite reasons why you are कुनै चिजको चाहिँ किन लिइराख्नु भएको छ कोड गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ या कुनै फ्याक्ट्स लिनुभयो भने यु ह्याभ टु साइट किन लिँदै हुनुहुन्छ कहाँबाट लिँदै हुनुहुन्छ कसको भन्ने कुरा साइट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ यु जस्ट क्यानट कपी एन्ड पेस्ट बिकज वी गट अ भेरी सिजन र तपाईँको चाहिँ ट्रेन्ड इभ्यालुएटर्स सो दे अल्टिमेटली नो तपाईँले कहाँ केबाट लिनुभएको भन्ने कुराहरू छ सो इफ यु आर भेरी अनेस्ट विथ यर असाइनमेन्ट्स होइन थ्रु माई पर्सनल एक्सपिरियन्स र हाम्रो जति पनि हामीले यहाँ हेरेको छौँ पास रेकर्डहरू पनि देयर इज अ हाई चान्स अफ गोइङ थ्रु एक्जामिनेसन सो प्लिज पे अटेन्सन टु यर असाइनमेन्ट्स या अफकोर्स 30 टुवर्ड्स अ फाइनल ग्रेडमा तपाईँको एकदमै यसले पछि ग्रेड चाहिँ बढाउने काम गर्छ असाइनमेन्ट्सले एउटा त प्रिपेयर्स यु फर द एक्जामिनेसन र अल्टिमेटली तपाईँको चाहिँ आफ्नो ग्रेड्स पनि बढाउने काम गर्छ र असाइनमेन्ट्स बुझाउने बेलामा क्वेसन पेपर चाहिँ इट्स तपाईँले म्यान्डेटरीली तपाईँले चाहिँ यसलाई एट्याच गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ होइन ह्यान्ड रिटन हुन्छ र यु हेभ टु डाउनलोड फ्रम द वेबसाइट अप्रुभ कसले इभ्यालुएट गर्छ भन्दाखेरि ती इभ्यालुएटर्सहरू जसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले प्रायर अप्रुभल लिएका हुन्छ युनिभर्सिटी जसले पाए त्यसले अप्रुभ गर्न इभ्यालुएट गर्न पाउँदैन एट्याचमेन्ट अफ करेन्ट क्वेसन पेपर एन्ड कभर पेज इज म्यान्डेटरी अल दिज इन्फर्मेसन्स अभाइलेबल इन द वेबसाइट तपाईँले जुन असाइनमेन्ट्स गर्नुहुन्छ जुन असाइनमेन्ट्स तपाईँले डाउनलोड गर्नुहुन्छ तपाईँ करेन्ट गरेको हुनुपर्छ एकदमै जुन सेसनमा एडमिसन गर्नुभएको छ त्यही सेसनको असाइनमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ र त्यो चाहिँ मेक स्योर तपाईँले बुझाउने बेलामा त्यो एट्याच गरेको हुनुपर्छ टर्म एन्ड एक्जामिनेसन दुईपल्ट हुन्छ यो अब डिपेन्ड्स तपाईँको सेमेस्टर वाइज कोर्स छ भने 6 महिनामा भयो अब इयरली प्रोग्राम छ नि एट द एन्ड अफ द इयर But generally, examinations are held twice. That is in the month of June and another is in the month of December. अब अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ यो पेन्डेमिकले गर्दा चाहिँ पोस्टपोन भयो but then likelihood हाम्रो इन्टरनेसनल ओभरसिज स्टडी सेन्टरमा चाहिँ एक्जामिनेसन अब डिसेम्बरमै हुन्छ तर अरू इन्डियातिर चाहिँ यो सेप्टेम्बरमा भइरहेछ इट्स अ स्पेसल केस but then since the day this university was established त्यति बेलादेखि कुनै प्रकारको एक्जाम चाहिँ तपाईँको भनौँ न रिस्केड्युल या तपाईँको चाहिँ पोस्टपोन प्रिपोन चाहिँ भएको छैन इभन फर्दर क्यान्सलेसन पनि भएको छैन एक्जामिनेसन होइन अब काठमाडौँको केसमा देयर आर 2 एक्जाम सेन्टर्स अफ हाम्रो आइसिएको चाहिँ 9602 इज द कोड द्याट इज द युनिक कोड विच आई मेन्सन अर्लियर इन माई फर्स्ट स्लाइड आइसिए भन्ने बित्तिकै 9602 भन्ने बित्तिकै आइसिए इट्स अ युनिक कोड गिभन बाई द युनिभर्सिटी विच डिनोट्स आइसिए र हामीका एक्जामिनेसन सेन्टर दुईटा छ एउटा काठमाडौँमा भयो केन्द्रीय विद्यालयमा हुन्छ यो लाजिमपाटमा होइन सब लाजिमपाट भन्छ यो तपाईँको या लाजिमपाट एक्ज्याक्ट सो द अदर वान इज विराटनगरमा छ 9601 सो तपाईँले एक्जामिनेसन फर्म भर्ने बेलामा चाहिँ यु गट टु मेन्सन अब इफ यु वान्ट टु गिभ एक्जाम्स फ्रम Viratnagar, make sure like you cannot write Viratnagar, but then you got to mention 9601 as an examination center. Your study center code would be 9602. I don't want to confuse here. We'll assist you. But then examination center code matter, you got to mention 9601 only when if you wish to write exams from Viratnagar center. I mean, further goes. So as of now, there are 2 exam centers. There are Kathmandu ma cha, there are Viratnagar ma cha. Whichever तपाईलाई चाहिँ सजिलो लाग्छ तपाईँ एक्जाम दिन सक्नुहुन्छ how are you eligible to attend TES? Timely submission of handwritten assignments. Submit गरेको हुनु पर्यो असाइनमेन्ट तपाईले त गरेपछि मात्र तपाईले एक्जाम फर्म भर्न पाउनुहुन्छ हैन र you have taken you have opted the right course and the other is clearance of all dues of course because unless if you don't pay the all dues किन हामीले सबै पठाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ you'll not be allowed to fill out the form. So these are the first thing is your assignments has to be submitted on time. It has to be handwritten assignment. Whether you have opted and pursued the right course. तपाईँले चाहिँ त्यो सेमेस्टरको किनभने सेमेस्टर पनि कोर्स यहाँ डिफाइन गरे हुन्छ त्यो पर्टिकुलर सेमेस्टरको लागि त्यो सब्जेक्ट लिएको हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ तपाईले रेजिस्टर गरेको हुनुपर्छ Re-registration, re-registration is another important activity as a distance learner. You have to re-register. भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईले प्रोग्राममा त एनरोल गर्नुभयो but then subject wise re-registration is a must. That too before you write exams. Exam भन्दा अगाडि नै तपाईले चाहिँ अर्को सेमेस्टर अर्को इयरलाई चाहिँ register गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ के त in terms of your subject or course को लागि फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरमा you may have opted 4 subjects, किन एउटा सेमिस्टरमा तपाईँ 4 वटा पढ्न पाउँदैन, फर इक्जाम्पल MBA मा. So next semester ko lagi, even if you don't write exams, but before the examination or before you fill out the form, you have to re-register. So त्यति बेला तपाईले subject wide re-register गर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. You're not admitting again, you're not taking re-admission, but then you are re-registering your subjects because there are 21 subjects in order to complete your MBA. So first semester 4 वटा, त्यसै गरी अर्कोमा 4 वटा, त्यसै गरेर तपाईको 20 वटा पुग्छ, अनि अर्को तपाईको चाहिँ गएर project work हुन्छ, which is considered as 2 subjects. And it is done 2 months prior to the examination. Yes. So re-registration for second year can be done even without clearing the course. Suppose तपाईले अब पासै गर्नु भएको छैन भने पनि you are allowed to re-register for the second and third semester. So re-registration is important. It's done before the next semester or the year commences. It is done 2 months prior to the examination. It is not necessary that you have to clear or pass the examination. Certificates awarded upon completion of the course. Yes. So how is your result declared? Results generally 45 days examination सकेको. I told you examinations are held twice in a year. That is, one is in June, in the month of June. It starts from 1st June till the end of June. And the other is 1st December to the end of December. So once all the examination, university, it's not about your individual examination. सबैको examination सके पश्चात चाहिँ declare हुन थाल्छ after 45 days. 90 दिनभित्रसम्म चाहिँ examination सबै result declare भइसकेको हुन्छ यो. So ultimately तपाईको results आउने भनेको grade card र provisional grade card मा आउँछ. तपाईको यहाँको ट्रान्सक्रिप्ट भएर चाहिँ सबै कुरा यसमा डिपिक्ट गराएको छ, तपाईले केमा कति के पाउनु भयो, including your assignments, र you get provisional certificate. तपाईको चाहिँ grade card र PC, यो grade card भनेको यही नै भइहाल्यो, GC, provisional certificate, र official transcript पनि पाइन्छ. There is a procedure for it, यसलाई sealed envelope मा. र अर्को चाहिँ finally यो convocation मा you get a degree certificate. तर degree certificate नआउन्जेलसम्म पनि तपाईको provisional certificate ले धेरै नै काम गर्छ. That is issued sooner than the degree convocation, because convocation is held once in a year in the university, and the other certificate you get is migration certificate. So these are the certificates you get once you complete your examinations, your results are declared, everything is done. I just want to show you the scanned copies of the grade card, mark sheet. So this is your grade card where all the details of the programs, assignments, your tapaigo say how much you've achieved in your assignments, all these are mentioned here. Like a grade or sabai kura mentioned gara. So this is the grade card. You saying this is it, it's like a registration number or you're saying. So you have to retain this because this is required examination ko time ma चाहिन्छ तपाईलाई यो. Then you'll be permitted to enter the examination venue. So you have to maintain it. तपाईको छ भने यसलाई laminate गरेर अहिले पाइसक्नु भएको छैन, यो पाउनु पाए पश्चात चाहिँ यसलाई make sure you have laminated and kept it for future reference. So this is the degree certificate. So these are the certificates. I'm just showing the pictures of the certificates. I've already mentioned this. 45 they cannot be. 90 दिन भित्र पनि examination को result declare भएन भने then it is your duty to at least intimate us, inform us. यो यस्तो भयो आइपुगेको छैन भने then we can take immediate action on it. Of a re-evaluation, suppose if you're not satisfied with your marks or grades, you can always get it re-evaluated. But then that has to be done within a month. तपाईको result declare भएको 1 महिना भित्र गरिसक्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. 1 महिना पश्चात आउनु भयो भने त्यो application लाई entertain गर्दैन university ले. So just keep in mind, you can always get your copies re-evaluated if you're not satisfied with the marks or grades which you have obtained. The other thing is, is तपाईले either of one एउटा चाहिँ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. That you can obtain the photocopy the answer scripts. जुन तपाईले लेख्नु भएको छ answer scripts हरु त्यसको चाहिँ xerox copy पनि पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईले. Ultimately, like if you really want to see like कसरी correction भयो एकदमै यसमा discrepancy भएको छ भने You can always obtain those photocopies as well. यसमा अब के nominal fees applicable छ र the whole thing revaluation र तपाईको obtaining the photocopy of answer scripts has to be done within a month's time. The date of the result declare भएको 1 महिना भित्र गरिसक्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. This is for the stray outside students who are not registered with us. Your facility तपाईले पनि avail गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ. Suppose if you're traveling to India or any other country where there are IGNOU centers, you can always write exams, you can get your assignments evaluated, you can get your projects evaluated, you know, you can always do that, but you have to follow their deadlines out there. But त्यहाँ हाम्रो यहाँ कुनै कतिवटा केसमा चाहिँ डेडलाइन्सहरु फरक हुन्छ, फिजहरु फरक हुन्छ हैन. त्यसैले तपाईको त्यहाँको चाहिँ डेडलाइन्सहरु फलो गरेर गर्न पाउनु भयो भने you can write exams, you can get your assignments, you can get your projects evaluated. This is majority of the courses ko लागि ho, but there are a few courses जुन चाहिँ तपाईले गर्न पाउनुहुन्छ. For example, BCA MCA को लागि चाहिँ practical चाहिँ बाहिर गर्न मिल्दैन हेर्नुस्. र त्यसै गरी बाहिरका स्टुडेन्टहरु पनि आएर चाहिँ they can exams यहाँ आएर दिन पाउनुहुन्छ र त्यही सर्भिस उहाँले पनि लिन पाउनुहुन्छ. Yeah, of course. Job examinations तपाईं भोलि ट्राभल गर्नुभयो बाहिर इन्डिया नै भनौं, अब तपाईको या त्यो भन्दा बाहिर पनि कन्ट्रीमा जहाँ यसको सेन्टर्सहरु छन्, तर दुई पल्ट भन्दा बढी दिन पाउँदैन एक्जामिनेसन. हो त्यो भन्दा पनि बढी चाहिँ दिन खोज्नु भयो भने अल्टिमेटली you have to transfer. You have to change the center and you get it transferred to that particular center from where you've been giving exams. Or where you feel like, you know, म यहीँबाट कम्प्लिट गर्छु भने त्यो ट्रान्सफर गर्न पाइन्छ यो. So either way, तपाईं यता पनि आउन पाउनु भयो, बाहिर पढिराख्नु भएको छ भने you can seek transfer to Nepal center, or if you want to transfer to another country's center, you can always do that, provided there is an IGNOU center there. On norms of appearing TE, yes, of course, यो सबैलाई त्यही नै हो. Assignment submission गरेको हुनु पर्यो. That is the most important and it's a must. र तपाईको चाहिँ बाहिरको स्टुडेन्ट हुन्छन्, तपाईले कुनै क्लियरेन्स फ्रम स्टडी सेन्टर जुन सेन्टरमा पढ्नु भएको छ त्यहाँबाट क्लियरेन्स पाउनु पर्यो, एनओसी लिएर आउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. प्रुफ अफ पेइङ इन्टरनेसनल फिज, अघि नै भने फिज तीनटा टायरमा फिज छ. साक स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुको लागि एक प्रकारको फिज छ, इन्टरनेसनलको एउटा, र बियोन्ड साक चाहिँ डलर्समा तिरेको हुनाले तीनटा टायरमा फिज स्ट्रक्चर हुन्छ. त्यो कन्सर्न कन्ट्रीमा त्यो कन्सर्न सेन्टरमा फिजहरु चाहिँ तिरेको हुनु पर्छ. So you have to obtain the go of this certificate. About all these, you know, like how you can transfer facilities. Countries matter. There are other additional information. You can always seek transfer to any countries. As of now, there are 13 countries. If you want to continue your study from there, त्यो तपाईले पढेको कोर्स सब्जेक्ट चाहिँ चाहिँ अफरमा हुनु पर्यो, because there are two different things है. एक्जामिनेसन बाहिरबाट दिनु र स्टडी सेन्टरै ट्रान्सफर गर्नुमा चाहिँ फरक छ. एक्जामिनेसन दुई पल्टसम्म दिन पाउनु भयो, त्यहाँ तपाईको चाहिँ प्रोग्राम्स अफरमा छैन भने पनि तपाईलाई एक्जाम दिन पाउनुहुन्छ. तर if you want to change the center, if you want to seek transfer to that particular center, the first and foremost thing is that particular course has to be an offer. On offer चाहिँ हुनु पर्यो. Other services, this I've already mentioned, submission of TMA project हरु पनि गर्न पायो. बाहिरको स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुले यहाँ पनि गर्न पाउँछ, यहाँका स्टुडेन्ट्सहरुले पनि बाहिर पनि गर्न पाउँछ, provided एउटा कुनै स्पेशल नोमिनल फीस चाहिँ उहाँले त्यो सर्भिसको लागि तिर्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. यो credit transfer जहाँ पनि गर्न पायो, will be required to apply for credit transfer or complete subjects in fresh admission. To complete the maximum program duration, but it's yes. But you know, like तपाईहरुले अब 5 years maximum, 3 years program को 5 years duration हो, 5 वर्षसम्म पनि कम्प्लिट गर्न पाउनु भएन भने, then तपाईले you have to, you know, take fresh admission and then apply for credit transfer, which means जुन तपाईले चाहिँ पास गरिसक्नु भएको छ त्यो तपाईले पढ्नु पर्दैन. Only the subjects which you have failed, you have to reapply and then you have to study again and you have to get through a pass thing गर्नु पर्यो. So this is one facility पाउनुहुन्छ तपाईले तपाईले exemption पाउनुहुन्छ in terms of तपाईको subject मा चाहिँ exemption पाउनुहुन्छ. So this is one facility which allows IGNOU learner to even study further or is not able to complete the program in the minimum stipulated time. 3 years bachelor degree sama pani paunu bhayena, you get a additional 5 years. मा पनि सक्नु भएन 3 years को bachelor degree 6 वर्ष पाउँछ. 6 वर्षमा सक्नु भएन भने then तपाईले चाहिँ you have to apply, you take fresh admission, you get a fresh enrollment number, and then you apply for credit transfer for those subjects which you have completed and which you have not completed. Not completed la तपाईले चाहिँ फेरि पढेर exam दिनु पर्ने हुन्छ. So for those courses which you have already successfully completed, you do not write exams for that. Once you take admission, and your admission is confirmed, there is your fees are not refunded, because this is because of the past. What in the past, what we've noticed is there are people, and then suddenly they realize, okay, this is not my cup of tea. I want to study another subject. It is only in the case when university denies. University deny gare bhane matre tapaiko program fee refund huncha. Haine bhane tapaile चाहिँ program change पनि गर्न पाउनु भएन, tapaiko fees पनि refund हुँदैन. र अर्को तपाईको त्यो fees कुनै पनि प्रकारले adjust हुँदैन अरु चीजहरुमा पनि. अरु कुराहरुमा पनि adjust हुँदैन. So these are ways of obtaining information. One is program guide. You may not have received it now. So हाम्रो सबै कुरा यो ease out भइसकेपछि make sure you collect one, and I'm sure you can download from the website also. This gives you eagle view about your program. There's a minute details of the course. तपाईले कसरी approach गर्ने, कसरी assignment बुझाउने, deadlines के हो, कुन subject मा तपाईको चाहिँ syllabus के हो, कसरी पढ्नु पर्ने, कति credit गर्ने, यावत कुराहरु त्यो particular course को बारेमा चाहिँ त्यो program guide ले सबै detailed information दिन्छ. अर्को चाहिँ website भइहाल्यो. यो चाहिँ I request regular basis मा चाहिँ हेर्दै गर्नुस्. One is email, and then since we are open on Saturdays, you can also visit a center, and there are telephones, Facebook, Skype भयो, Viber भयो, ICA online chats or website made, live chat, and the recently developed ICA app. But then for अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो Android users लाई मात्रै छ, but then very soon we'll get it upgraded so that iOS users can also use it. So these are few standard, जुन चाहिँ तपाईले चाहिँ you can obtain information about ICA, its programs, and various activities. But IGNOU, it's not only about academics. तपाईको चाहिँ यहाँ academics मात्रै नभएर हामी कहाँ अरु पनि extra curricular activities हुन्छ. One is innovation club. If you यो चाहिँ it's been officially established by ICA as Innovation Club, under the guidance of Tapaiko Distance and Education, NCID. Your club objective it's to create awareness about your innovation, your creativity. So if you are creative enough, if you're innovative, you're passionate about innovations, then you do join this club. And then there are a lot of rewards attached with this. So I thoroughly, I rather sincerely encourage you to join Innovation Club so that you can explore. It's quite active. We already have a lot of members in it. And ultimately, you get rewards. It will be rewarded by the university itself. University ko usmai pahal ma cha hamile pani kholeka hau. Best innovation will be included in the yearly publications of IGNOU publication जुन चाहिँ संसारभरि नै तपाईको चाहिँ publicized हुन्छ. But there is a provision also to award gold medal. So imagine, if you're very innovative, you're very creative, so you also will be awarded with a gold medal. And the category would be Student Innovation Award. So guys who are very innovative, who are creative, please make sure you join this IGNOU Innovation Club. Alumni, it's quite active here, Pani. So once you complete your program, your alumni, we already have a Tulo pools, 6,000 plus. They organize a lot of activities. They meet तपाईँको कहिले त अब विकली नै मिटिङ गर्नुहुन्छ या ट्वाइस अ मन्थ so by and large यो एक्टिभ नै छ र देयर आर डिफरेन्ट फ्रेन्ड्स इग्नुमा पढ्न आउनेहरू तपाईँहरू जस्तै डिफरेन्ट वर्क्स अफ लाइफ having various backgrounds diverse backgrounds भएको हुनाले this alumni is also very interesting it's a great opportunity for networking as well. One thing definitely you can utilize it for one purpose, that is reconnecting or networking provides a huge potential for your alumni pani. So once you complete the course, please do join this alumni or alumni ko kunai programs haru bhayo bhane pani attend garnu hola. So with this, we've come to the end of our presentation. I'm sure there are a lot of information that needed to be, extracted. Queries we'll be more than happy to answer, and we'll share you the slides as well.
So, okay. It was a wonderful session. Great. Now let's move forward to another session. We have a few of our freshly enrolled learners who are willing to share their experience.
And I have enrolled for the MBA program here at ICA. And ICA has been here for many years, and it's known to help students through distance learning program to get the benefit of a worldwide accepted degree without having to compromise their career. One of the main reasons I chose ICA was also that because the staff here are very helpful. They have always helped me with all my queries regarding be it validity of the degree or the whole learning process. And I myself have a 7-to-4 job. So through ICA, I can have a perfect balance between my education and job. Thank you.
And I searched many like online courses or like different learning courses and distance learning courses, but I found like IGNOU, and then many of my Indian colleagues and the counterparts recommend like IGNOU is very good, better than other like Indian courses. There is a lots of private and every course, every universities or like many different. And then I found the ICA. Yeah, I like the ICA because you guys have a more than 18 years experience to like enrolling people. And then I found the many bankers because my field is like a finance. So many finance people are also doing the MBA or something from the year through you. And like I met the many people in Kathmandu, yeah, in my colleagues or many people. And then I found the one of guy who did the something MBA course or something from the through the yeah. There is a 2 learning center or something. Yeah, it's a better to like study online or something. And then I take the whole session, and I found like you guys ICA have a like a complete like a program, and then guidelines and everything. Yeah? And recently you launched the app or something. That's the good for us and then everything. Yeah. Thank you.
I found ICA as a platform that could go hand in hand with my professional and my educational career. So I would like to suggest all of the people who are professional people out there, if they want to pursue an academic degree without quitting their professional field, the ICA will be a very helpful platform for them. So our professional and our academic degree can go hand in hand parallelly.
So ICA has given us a very right platform to engage ourselves, immerse ourselves in the study. So your platform, but I say, I think I can gain the right perspective and right direction for my career. Thank you.
Yeah, with the joint effort, I'm hopeful from ICA that it will be, providing me with the guidance and support throughout. And yeah, it goes hand in hand. So I will be trying my best as well. And yeah, I will be making the best, मैले चाहिँ आफ्नो त्यही आइसिएले दिनुभएको स्टडी मटेरियल्स वेबसाइट्सहरुको थ्रुबाट थ्रु 1-to-1 काउन्सलिङ एन्ड अल एन्ड मेरो पनि जोइन्ट एफर्टको थ्रुबाट के रे डेडलाइन्सहरु मिट गरेर हैन आफ्नो पार्टबाट पनि मैले निभाउने छु भन्ने आश गरेछु र आई बिलिभ दैट लाइक लाइफ इज ओन्ली वन्स राइट सो आई रियली वान्टेड टु स्टडी मास्टर अफ आर्ट्स दैट्स व्हाई नाउ आई हैव बीन एनरोल्ड सो या I take forward this opportunity to complete it successful, and I wish every one of you all the best for your further studies. Thank you so much.